it's Miss Mila here, and today I'll be showing you how I got this halo twist on my type 4 natural hair. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm starting on an old dry twist out. And to kind of loosen this up a little bit, I'm going to add some warm water. And honey, I realized this was going to be a job, so we had to pull up the sleeves. Okay, so once I have it kind of loosened up, I'm going to go ahead and part my head down the middle, and this is just to make it a little easier to work with. And then I continue to work on that one section. So I add a little water and then lightly finger detangle. And then I'll go in with my leave-in cream and add a little bit of that and then finger detangle a little bit. And this is all me just prepping my hair. And then you can't see it, but I'm adding a little bit of oil to my hair just to seal in that moisture and make sure that the hair is moisturized in that protective style. Then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and begin to detangle a little more, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to part my hair in the front on that one side and split it into two sections, and these two sections are going to be what starts the twist. So once I pull it into two sections, I'm going to take that back section and I'm going to wrap it under the front section. And then from that back section, I'm going to pull more hair towards it. So right now I'm straightening that out, and then I'm going to pull another back section through, and I pull hair through that. So I'm always pulling hair from the back section and trying to keep it close, of course, to the front of my head to get that halo effect. So you'll see I'm pulling hair from the back to the bottom twist and then wrapping the top twist on top of it, if that all makes sense. Crazy. Okay, so let's take a look at this on the side. Same thing. I'm pulling hair from the section of hair that hasn't been used yet, and I'm pulling that in the twist underneath and then wrapping a piece on top of it. And then I go ahead and detangle that and twist it on down. So once I have it twisted, I add a little rubber band, and then we are done. Okay, so I'm going to do my moisture routine at the water, the conditioner, and the oil to this side, and then detangle, and now we get to the twist itself again. So I'm going to take a section from the front of the twist and split it into two, and then I'm going to pull the section furthest away from my forehead forward, detangle it, and then I'll take the front section again and pull something from the back and pull that underneath and take the top section and put that over it. So I'm always pulling from the back, so I'll pull some additional hair from the back section and then wrap hair from the front section, and when I say front, the part closest to my forehead, on top of it. And to take a look on the side, I'm pulling hair from the untwisted section, pulling it through and under, and then wrapping that top section on top of it again. Once that's done, I detangle the ends, and then I twist all the way down to the end, and then I'll add my rubber band. So then you have your two twists ready to go. So the next part is pretty simple. You just take one of those twists and wrap it around to the other side of your head and pin it. And add as many pins as you need for the style to feel secure, but you just pin it until it is tight. Okay, and taking a look, same thing on the other side. You take the hair, you wrap it around, and then you pin it. And of course you want to try to hide the wrapping, so I pinned it and then I kind of tucked it underneath the twist that was already there, so it looks like it's all one twist, even though we know it's not. And then this is the fun part. I just begin to unravel the twist a little bit and loosen it up so it's a little bit bigger and not as flat to my head. Once that is complete, I just take a little edge control and I begin to work on these baby hairs, because what is the style without your baby hairs? And I repeat the same thing on the other side until I am happy with my baby hairs. Next part is completely optional, but I do pull a little hair from each side just to have some little curlies hanging, and then I'm going to wrap my head up to really secure those edges and get those looking real sleek. So you see I ended up pulling out a little more of my little sideburns, little curly hairs. And this is what we're looking like. And honey, your makeup, girl, go fix that. Okay, we're fixed now. So adding a little bit of this jam, I'm going to take that to those sideburns, and that's just going to help bring some curl definition to it so it's just not a frizzy straight mess. Okay, so then I repeat the same thing on the other side. And if you notice, my other curly is like bone straight. And this happens when you have too much gel. So you could just add a little water and that's gonna help bring the curls back. All right, honey, you are ready to slay now.
Oh.